Beta, I am Professor P.K. Garg. Today we are going to discuss solutions. In solutions, today we will discuss colligative properties. Colligative properties. Colligative properties. The properties which depends upon the properties which depends upon the amount of solute particles are not on the nature of solute particles are known as colligative properties, which depends upon the amount and not on nature are known as colligative property. There are four colligative properties are there. One of them is relative lowering of vapor pressure. The second one is osmotic pressure. The third one is elevation in boiling point, and the fourth one is depression in freezing point. These four colligative properties are there. One of them is relative lowering of vapor pressure, second one is osmotic pressure, elevation in boiling point, and depression in freezing point. These are the four colligative properties are there. Today we will discuss osmotic pressure and elevation in boiling point. The relative lowering of vapor pressure I have already discussed in my previous lecture. So today we are going to discuss osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure. For learning about the osmotic pressure, we should know about the process of diffusion and osmosis. What is meant by diffusion and what is meant by osmosis? Diffusion means when the particle moves from high concentration to लो कंसंट्रेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल आपके पास एक इंक का ड्रॉप है, आपने उसको पानी में छोड़ दिया तो वो सारे पानी में फैल गया बेटा, वो जो आपके पास वाटर था उसमें फैल गया. तो सपोज आपने ब्लू इंक डाली तो सारे का सारा जो कंटेनर था पानी का भरा हुआ वो ब्लू हो गया. तो दैट इज़ डिफ्यूज़न. अगर आपका एक रूम स्मोक का भरा हुआ है और आपने एकदम से दरवाज़ा खोल दिया तो सारे का सारा स्मोक बाहर जाना शुरू हो गया अपने आप. दैट इज़ डिफ्यूज़न. एंड व्हाट इज़ ऑस्मोसिस? Osmosis is when the solution flows from low concentration to high concentration but through a semi-permeable membrane. This is semi-permeable membrane. So when the solution moves from low concentration, I am talking about solution, not about the solvent. When the solution moves from low concentration to high concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, then the process is known as osmosis. By doing this process, यहाँ पे मेम्ब्रेन के अराउंड एक प्रेशर क्रिएट हो जाता है एंड दैट प्रेशर इज नोन एज ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर. सो व्हाट इज ऑस्मोटिक प्रेशर? द प्रेशर ड्यू टू osmosis, or by better way you can say the pressure around the semipermeable membrane due to osmosis is known as osmotic pressure. This osmotic pressure is represented by symbol pi. This osmotic pressure is represented by symbol pi, and this osmotic pressure is proportional to concentration and is proportional to temperature. This osmotic pressure is proportional to concentration as well as temperature. So we can also write that osmotic pressure is proportional to concentration and temperature. This is equal to proportionality constant, where R is known as proportionality constant, and for concentration we can write that moles of solute upon volume of solution, and again pi is equal to Wb. Now mole can be written as Wb by Mb, means weight of solute divided by molecular weight of solute, R into T divided by V. One thing you must be keep in your mind that pi is osmotic pressure and it should be taken in atmospheres. Volume is V is volume of solution and it must be taken in liters. T is temperature and it must be taken in kelvins. Similarly, then R is a constant value, means 0.0821. We are doing the colligative property known as osmotic pressure. The osmotic pressure, the pressure around the semi-permeable membrane due to osmosis. It is proportional to concentration and temperature, where R is a proportionality constant. It has fixed value. When the units of osmotic pressure, volume and temperature are fixed, then R have fixed value 0.0821. Now, in osmotic pressure, there is another term known as, in osmotic pressure, there is another term known as isotonic solutions. Isotonic solutions. The isotonic solutions, the solutions having same osmotic pressure. The solutions having same osmotic pressure. Those solutions which have same osmotic pressure are known as isotonic solution. For example, the one solution having osmotic pressure pi 1 and the second solution having osmotic pressure pi 2. Then if they are isotonic solution, it means both the osmotic pressures are equal with each other. So the isotonic solutions are those solutions which have same osmotic pressure, जिनका osmotic pressure आपस में सेम होता है. और जो जी ऑस्मोसिस है, इसका बायोलॉजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस है. बायोलॉजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है इसका? जैसे प्लांट्स हैं उनमें रूट्स पानी को एब्जॉर्ब करती है और वो लीव्स के टिप तक पहुंच जाता है, दैट इज़ ऑस्मोसिस। और हमारी बॉडी में है जो सेल्स हैं, सेल मेम्ब्रेन्स हैं, वो उनकी ग्रोथ हो रही है, दैट इज़ आल्सो ड्यू टू ऑस्मोसिस। तो दीज आर द बायोलॉजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ ऑस्मोसिस। देयर इज ऑस्मोसिस कैन बी रिवर्स्ड। ऑस्मोसिस का जो सबसे बड़ा सिग्निफिकेंस है वो रिवर्स की जा सकती है। तो जैसे हाई कंसंट्रेशन टू लो कंसंट्रेशन जाएं थ्रू अ सेमी परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन, दैट इज रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस। मीन्स रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस मतलब आरओ सिस्टम, जो हमारे आरओ सिस्टम्स हैं उनमें क्या होता है बेटा, रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस। उसमें हाई कंसंट्रेशन टू लो कंसंट्रेशन जाता है, बट थ्रू अ मेम्ब्रेन जाता है, दैट इज नोन एज रिवर्स ऑस्मोसिस। So this is all about the osmotic pressure, which is a colligative property. Now again, after the osmotic pressure, बेटा अपने को दूजी colligative property है elevation in boiling point। elevation in boiling point ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ increase ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ। first of all we must know that what is meant by boiling point। boiling point, the temperature at which vapor pressure of a component becomes equal to atmospheric pressure। बेटा ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ वेपर ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਐਟਮੋਸਫੈਰਿਕ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਦੇ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਹੋ ਜੇ, ਉਸ ਟੈਂਪਰੇਚਰ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਬੋਇਲਿੰਗ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ। ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਦਾ ਵੀ वेपर ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਐਟਮੋਸਫੈਰਿਕ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਰ ਦੇ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਬੋਇਲਿੰਗ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ। ਨਾਓ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਡੂਇੰਗ ਐਲੀਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਇਨ ਬੋਇਲਿੰਗ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ। ਇਨ ਐਲੀਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਬੋਇਲਿੰਗ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ, suppose this is temperature scale and on this side vapor pressure is given। suppose this line represents the atmospheric pressure। this line represents the atmospheric pressure। first of all we have a solvent। हमारे पास एक सॉल्वेंट है, हम उसको हीट कर रहे हैं। जैसे जैसे हम उसको हीट कर रहे हैं उसका वेपर प्रेशर बढ़ रहा है। एक कंडीशन ऐसी आ गई जब उसका वेपर प्रेशर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर के इक्वल हो गया। ये बात हो रही है जब प्योर सॉल्वेंट था, जब हम उसमें कोई भी सल्यूट नहीं डाला, सॉल्यूशन नहीं बनाया, प्योर सॉल्वेंट है। और इस बॉइलिंग पॉइंट को हम बोल देते हैं बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट। TB मीन्स बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्योर सॉल्वेंट। अब हमने क्या किया, इसमें नॉन वोलाटाइल सल्यूट डाल दिया। जब नॉन वोलाटाइल सल्यूट डाल दिया तो इसका वेपर प्रेशर कम हो गया। फिर हमने इसको हीट किया, फिर इस टेम्परेचर पे जाके ये बॉयल हुआ। ये सॉल्यूशन के लिए है, this point is known as boiling point of solution, TB naught. TB naught is boiling point of solution. Now, what is increase in boiling point? This is increase in boiling point, or rise in boiling point, or change in boiling point. TB naught minus TB is equal to delta TB, and delta TB is known as elevation in boiling point. एलिवेशन इन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट में इतना इंक्रीज हो गया, एंड दिस इंक्रीज इन बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द मोलैलिटी ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन. दिस increase in boiling point is directly proportional to the molality of the solution, and delta TB is equal to Kb into m. Kb is known as molar elevation constant. This is known as molar elevation constant or abelioscopic constant. It is also known as abelioscopic constant. Delta TB is equal to Kb into m. This Kb is known as molar elevation constant. If anybody asks define Kb, then we will say that it is defined as it is equal to the increase in boiling point when molality of the solution is taken as 1. So the molar elevation constant defined as it is equal to the increase in boiling point for unit molar solution. Now delta TB is equal to Kb into m की value Wb into 1000 upon mb into Wa. So by using this formula, we can easily determine the increase in boiling point when Wb amount of solute is added to Wa amount of solvent. तो बेटा इस फार्मूले से हम इजीली फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं भी कितने सॉल्वेंट में कितना सल्यूट डालें ताकि बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इतना ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हो जाए. फॉर जनरल डिस्कशन बेटा कई बार क्या होता है भी हमें नहीं पता चलता अभी डेल्टा टीबी दिया हुआ है या टीबी नॉट दिया हुआ है. कई बार हमें बॉइलिंग पॉइंट सोल्यूशन का दिया होता है, बट जब न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करते हैं उसे वही पुट कर देते हैं, डेल्टा टीबी नहीं पुट करते, कन्फ्यूज़न हो जाता है. उसके लिए आप सुन लो बेटा, डेल्टा टीबी की वैल्यू 4, 5, 6 इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होती. ये मैक्सिमम वैल्यू भी इतना इंक्रीज होता है कोई नॉन वोलाटाइल सॉल्यूट डालने से, इसके अराउंड ही चेंज होता है. आपके ऐसे न्यूमेरिकल नहीं हैं जिसमें बॉइलिंग पॉइंट बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. तो डेल्टा टीबी इज इक्वल टू केबी. केबी की वैल्यू फिक्स होती है, जैसे वाटर के लिए 0.52 है, एमबी मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ सल्यूट है, डब्ल्यूए वेट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द colligative properties. By using these method we can determine the colligative properties of the solution. So delta TB we can calculate. Similarly, if you want to calculate the depression in freezing point, similarly delta TF is equal to KF into M, or delta TF is equal to KF WB into 1000 upon mb into wa. Means what is kf? It is molar depression constant, or we can say that it is cryoscopic constant. So there are four colligator properties. There are total four colligator property which depends upon the amount of solute, and do not depend upon the amount of nature of solute. These four colligative properties, first of all, we have done that Pa naught minus Ps is equal to Pa naught is equal to Wb upon Mb into Ma upon Wa. The second one is pi is equal to Wb upon Mb Rt upon V. The third one is delta Tb is equal to Kb Wb into 1000 upon Mb into Wa. Delta Tf is equal to Kf into Wb into 1000 upon Mb into Wa. In my first lecture of the solution, I have already explained that Wb means weight of solute and Mb means molecular weight of solute. Wa matlab weight of solvent and Ma molecular weight of solvent. Now there are these four colligator properties, or these two properties, this one and this one. First property and last property, they are lowering or depression. Means what is mean of this? Relative lowering of vapor pressure. What is this? Depression in freezing point means as the number of solute particle increases, as the number of non-volatile solute particle increases, the vapor pressure will decrease, as well as the freezing point will also decrease. These two properties increases with the addition of non-volatile solute. Like osmotic pressure will increase when you add non-volatile solute, and boiling point of solution is also increases as we added non-volatile solute. So this is the basic concept which we should keep in your mind, that there are two properties, this one and this one, they are going to decreases. Means vapor pressure goes to decreases, freezing point goes to decreases as we add non-volatile solute particle. Boiling point and osmotic pressure will increase with the addition of non-volatile solute. So this is all about the colligator properties.